We back in the silicone trap. It's your boy Codehova. We back to pimping Swift. And this video is going to be about the order of operations when we're doing arithmetic. So, let's say we have this mathematical equation. And it's 5 plus 4 times 8 plus 5 minus 2 divided by 2. If you're not really up on math, right, you're going to just be doing stuff from left to right. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, times 8 is 72, plus 5, so that's 77, minus 2, which is 75. 75 divided by 2 is what? 37.5. But again, it's going to be 37 because we're dealing with ints, right? But the answer, yo, is actually 41. And the reason for that is because of something called the order of operation. And the order of operation goes, what you need to know is like it's PEMDAS. It's whatever is in parentheses happens first. Then we do exponentials, which we don't need to worry about because we're not working with the exponential operators in Swift code. Then it's multiplication, division, and then last is addition and subtraction. So the way this is happening first, we have to follow PEMDAS. Right now there's no parentheses, so we don't have to worry about it. We don't have any exponentials, so we have to do the multiplication and then the division first. So we have multiplication right here, we have division right here. So basically this is becoming 5 plus, so 4 times 8 is 32, and then we got plus 5, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Alright, Xcode just crashed. So what you got to know is Xcode, it could be a bitch at times. So what you just got to do is just keep it moving, and you just got to open it back up. Alright, that's all you got to do. And so we were at 5 plus 32 plus 5, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1, so this is going to be minus 1. So we might have to wait for the simulator to finish running. I'm not really sure why Xcode did that, but Xcode is fickle, software is fickle, so we just got to keep it moving and be patient and move on. But anyways, so just take your boy's word for it that this here is 41, because what we have is 5 plus 32 is 37, plus 5 is 42, minus 1 is 41. So let's say we had the example of, let me move PEMDAS to the top because PEMDAS is important, you dig? So let's say we had 6 times 5 plus 3. What do you think this is equal to? So again, we have to do the parentheses first, which is 5 plus 3, 8 times 6 is 48. If we had another example of 2 plus 5 times 3, is it going to be 21? Because we're going from left to right? No. We're going to do the multiplication first. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is equal to 17. And let's do another one. So it's, let me just comment it out so Xcode isn't going to show you the answer, right? So 30 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. So this, it's going to be fine just going from left to right, because when it's PEMDAS, this is kind of the same, right? So let's give it a shot. So if we go from, all right, hold up. Ah, shit. If we go from left to right, so 30 divided by 5 is 6 times 3 is 18. Yeah, so that's just about it for order of operations. It's like PEMDAS. I just looked it up online to see if there's like any hints on how to make people remember it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Alright, so parentheses first, exponentials next, multiplication and division first, and then you do addition and subtraction. And as we saw in this example here, because this is the MD group, when you have MD together, you work it from left all the way to the right. All right, let's go.